Have you ever wanted your own private cloud solution for your home or small office? In this video, we'll show you how to turn a Raspberry Pi into a secure, budget-friendly NAS server, perfect for backups and file sharing. Welcome to Black Device YouTube channel. NAS, or Network Attached Storage, is a dedicated file server on your LAN. It keeps all your documents, photos, and videos in one place. No more juggling USB sticks or paying monthly cloud fees. Here's what we need for this project. A Raspberry Pi. We'll be using our Pi5. A micro SD card and reader, an external hard drive, a Bluetooth keyboard, a monitor, an HDMI cable, plus power and network cables. First, on our computer, we open Raspberry Pi Imager, choose the Lite OS, and in the custom options enable SSH. Set your host name and network, then flash the card. With the card ready, we insert into the Pi, add the cooling system, connect our keyboard USB dongle, the external hard drive, and the Ethernet cable, hook up the monitor and power, and boot up. Now we SSH in over Ethernet. Update and upgrade the system by running the commands sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade-y. Then run the OpenMediaVault install script. We'll include every command in the video description and in our blog post so you can follow the process easily. Once the installation is complete, leave the Raspberry Pi on with the hard drive connected and move to your computer to finish the setup. Open a new browser tab and connect to your Raspberry Pi's IP address. If you don't know it, type this command in the SSH console. IP address show. Once you go to the IP address, you'll land on the OpenMediaVault login screen. Use the default credentials. Username, admin. Password, OpenMediaVault. Now that you're in, click the user icon in the top right corner, select Change Password, and enter a strong new password. This ensures no one else can access your NAS without your authorization. Next, assign a static IP to your NAS. Navigate to Network Interfaces in the left menu. Click Add, choose Ethernet, then click Save. Under the new interface entry, switch IPv4 from DHCP to static. Enter your chosen IP address, subnet mask, gateway, your router's IP, and DNS server. Click Save, then apply at the top to lock in your network settings. Prepare the external drive. Go to Storage Disks, select your USB hard drive, and click the eraser icon. Confirm to clear any existing partitions. Next, switch to File Systems, click Add, choose Extension 4, and select your disk. Click Save, then mount the newly created Extension 4 volume so OMV can use it. Create a shared folder. Head to Access Rights Management Shared Folders. Click Add. Name your share, for example, Data. Select the Extension 4 file system, and click Save. Your folder now appears in the list of shares. This is where all network devices will read and write data. Enable and configure SMB/CIFS. Under Services, SMB/CIFS Settings, tick Enable SMB/CIFS, then click Save and Apply. Switch to the Shares tab, click Add, choose the data folder, assign the guest or specific user account read/write permissions, and click Save. Finally, navigate to SMB/CIFS Shares. Verify your data share is listed with the correct permission settings and confirm everything is active. With that, your new NAS is fully set up and ready to use. The only thing left is to connect to it from your devices and start enjoying easy and secure file sharing. Depending on your operating system, you'll need to take one last step to connect to the network drive. If you're using macOS, here's how to do it. Open Finder. In the top menu, go to Connect to Server or press CMD+K. Enter the address of your shared folder using this format. SMB//your NAS IP. For example, SMB//192.168.1.50. Click Connect. Enter your NAS username and password when prompted. Your shared folder will mount and appear in the Finder sidebar, just like a regular external drive. Now you can access your NAS storage directly from macOS with full read and write access, making file management across your network seamless. And that's our Raspberry Pi NAS up and running. Another useful DIY project you can build for your home setup or your office. Check the video description for links to our detailed blog post with every step explained and all the commands. If you found this useful, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching.